Army Armament Pit Viper, John Wick 4. Regular version. Shoutout kay Boss Kent. So license markings, naka fixed barrel, hammer pad protection, naka fiber optic sights, naka TTI base plate, naka adjustable trigger, naka under rail na rin for accessory attachment. Price is 7,500. Check nyo na lang guys sa Google Drive natin.